about the small.
So this is the third episode of the series The Conversation. So here I am with my very best friend Abhishek Sharma
on Friendship Day.
on Friendship Day, and we are having a conversation. और the conversation what you can expect on this is कि बहुत कुछ serious नहीं, but थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. So I'm having some questions. इसके ऊपर opinions दे सकता है अभिषेक. शायद थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ भी हो सकता है, शायद थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकता है इस वीडियो को. तो मैं अभिषेक से पूछूंगा, अभिषेक, व्हाट आर द 3 थिंग्स व्हिच यू वांट टू गिव एडवाइस टू योर 18-year-old version?
So for me, 18 years old version advice is that you just first of all set your aim. I know it's too early. It's too early to set aim because at that time you tend to pave your way where to go, not to go. But 18 years age is quite a enthusiastic age. So उस एज में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आप कोई भी सब्जेक्ट जिसको ऑप्ट करा है, कोई भी स्ट्रीम को आपने ऑप्ट करा है, तो स्ट्रीम की ना बैकबोन को समझो. बीट नॉन मेडिकल साइंसेज, बीट मेडिकल साइंसेज, बीट कॉमर्स, तो उसकी बैकबोन को समझो. और अगर इसी एज में आप प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीकेशंस की तरफ थॉट अप्लाई करो, दैट विल बी वंडरफुल थिंग, बिकॉज एज एंड व्हेन यू विल चूज द master stream or choose the specialization, then it will be very helpful for the 18 years age. And that is one thing, and two things are left.
Two things are still left. So you should answer ना. Why should I answer? You should answer.
Hobby, of course. एक hobby कहते हैं ना, like usually okay, whenever you give introduction, what's your hobby? So पहले time था ठीक है, I just okay, I'm passionate about singing, music, or traveling, etc., or maybe playing sports. So yes, so that is a very important question. So whenever a person asks from an individual, so one should know what his or her interests are. So yes, one should fully
One should be
indulge or engage himself or
any
herself
hobby.
into the any of the hobby.
Any of the hobby.
Yeah, given a choice. Third thing is yes, value time for sure. Time management skill is one of the things which will be with you. This is skill throughout. Be it adolescence, be it early teenage or late teenage, then early 20s or late 20s. Time management, value time actually. Set your clock accordingly, and this clock will really multiply your forthcoming success parameters.
तेरे को लगता है जब तू 18 साल का था तब
No.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट में दिक्कत
थी yes.
मटर गश्ती ज़्यादा की तो
ज़्यादा करी
हाँ,
yes.
मैंने भी मटर गश्ती बहुत की.
बिकॉज एक टाइम मैनेजमेंट ही है जो आपको फिर आगे जब आप किसी एग्ज़ाम्स में बैठते हो, आप ओ भाई साहब एग्ज़ाम क्या, आप अपने एकेडमिक एग्ज़ाम देखते हो लगे हुए हो, एंड देन उसके बाद फिर ओ भाई 20 मिनट लगे तो पूरे
20 मिनट में
अब तो पूरे सेक्शन पढ़ा यार. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई यूज्ड टू स्वेट अराउंड, मतलब दैट्स सो मच एट दैट टाइम.
एग्जाम के एंड तक तो
even right
बस
now,
होती है.
yeah, and I'm very bad in cursive handwriting, and my like genre way of write pen downing the exam, like I don't have a cursive handwriting, so it used to still remember, it used to take a lot of effort from my side. So yes.
तो अच्छा, what do you think, what are the best and the worst part of friendships?
Best part of friendship, well, I'll start with best of first.
Haan.
It's the friendship day. So the best part of friendship is that whenever you are facing through any of the highs or lows, right?
Haan.
Probably lows, I would say. So it is a friend who just
Pulls you
out, who is the helping hand more than your family, and yeah, a good friend. So yeah, वही बात. And bad thing is that sometimes in friendship there's some soup conditions happens. Soup situations arises. So yes, at that time one should instead of keeping the Bhed Bhav inside, right, one should be communicate like okay, what exactly things hurt. And also this which I realized lately, but I realized it. Yes.
Okay.
I'll not quote that, but yes.
Okay, so my third question would be, have you ever thought that you got used in any friendship? Like you must be having, not because मैं इसका दोस्त हूँ मतलब ये नहीं है, मतलब a person is having so much of the social circle. तो कभी तेरे को लगा that you got used in any terms of friendship?
Quite many times, yes.
And what is your opinion on that?
So yes, situation arises like that. You have been used.
You've been used.
Used in what sense? Like okay, यार ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च हुआ दिए, जो कि वहाँ पे उस बंदे ने मेरे से ठगी मार ली है.
Okay.
And then उसके बाद उसके बाद क्या
Emotionally, you got used somewhere. Do you feel like
यस
emotionally?
इमोशनली हाँ होता है, बहुत बार सिचुएशन ऐसी आती
You
है
put so many effort in something and you can't expect anything back from them.
Yeah. It is not about expectation of getting back from a person. It is about, see, I'm a person who believes in handling situations. But many times it happens with me when one situation arises, and at that time I have to keep up both the things in a certain manner, right? So so it is not about expecting from anyone. It is just about having a balance, right?
Does the status of any individual, such as he might be rich, he might be very handsome, or he might be like, having some or the other things with him or her, does this affect while making friends? Have you encountered this, like you have intended to have a friendship with another person on basis of this?
If I talk about my thing, then of course I don't believe in that. Actually, I of course I welcome everyone with open heart. Where where frequency matches, no matter from where you are or where you are connecting to whom you are connected to. Yes, I really don't take it like on the priority thing. Like of course, even like that's a priority for me. But yeah, so that is. I hope you got my answer. But yes, if I want.
But do you think like status does matter to anyone? Like somebody, like we are living in a society where there is hierarchy. Okay, I just want to explain, like we're living in a society where there is a hierarchy. There are some people who belongs to some of the hierarchy level, and there are some people who belong on the different hierarchy level. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि नहीं everybody is on the same hierarchy, so I would be saying you that you are wrong. अगर हर कोई एक hierarchy पे होता तो शायद राजा और रंक नहीं होता. Definitely. So everybody is on the different hierarchy level. So I just wanted to understand, like, have you ever felt like this hierarchical thing does affects friendship, or does it makes you to go to any person and be friends?
Yes, hierarchy do, of course, it do. I mean, it do matters to some people, to most of the people out here.
Is it right?
Ideally, ethically, it's not right.
I just wanted to, like,
Ethically, it's not
Is it
right.
what we should do, like,
But
like
rather,
what, because we just wanted to understand your perspective as well as from a general perspective. Like, अगर मेरे को perspective देना हो तो शायद मैं अकेले ये चीज़ें बोल चुका होता. Just wanted to understand your perspective, like how you think about this. What do you think? Like, is it fair to judge any people? Not to judge any people. देखिए, judge तो हर कोई बंदा होता ही है. There is no terms कि आप किसी को judge ना करें. Because if you are having your
all your senses,
you will judge.
You will
okay,
judge.
so you will judge.
So,
What do you think about it?
see, I don't know about it. It's fair or unfair, but yes, it completely depends on the individual's perspective, how he or she takes, or with which set of people he wants to connect. Whether it's good today evening.
Weather is good. So apart from anything you want to tell to the people, I expect some around कुछ 100-150 views on this. So what is your take on that? 150 लोगों को तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? लोगों के बहुत व्यूज़ आते हैं, 2000, 3000, 4000, बट मेरे 150 आते हैं, तो अपन की 150 की ऑडियंस है. बट व्हाट यू वांट टू से? 150
ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
हाँ, मतलब
छोटा परिवार सुखी परिवार.
छोटा परिवार सुखी परिवार.
We don't mind अगर परिवार बढ़ता जाए. I really wish you luck for that. परिवार ही बढ़ता जाए. ठीक है. हाँ, आज का टेक अवे यही रहेगा मेरा व्यूअर्स के लिए कि आज टुडे इट्स अ फ्रेंडशिप डे, एंड ठीक है यार, इन लाइफ आप बहुत सारे लाइफ इज अ रोलर कोस्टर जर्नी. यू विल कनेक्ट लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू विल लूज लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन द सेम टाइम. But don't take it like, okay, don't depress with that situation if you're losing people.
You need to have good friends. और जो 18-19 साल 20 साल के लड़के देख रहे हैं मेरे को, I just want to tell you that whatever the things which you are going to do in your 20s, mid-20s or early 20s even, that would be sheerly driven on like what type of friends you have got and कैसे आपके दोस्त हैं. Because you are the average of the three. ये एक रूल है. आपके जैसे 3 आपके फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे, आप उनका एवरेज होंगे आप। तो
वो तो
चूज योर फ्रेंड्स, आई डोंट वांट टू से चूज योर फ्रेंड्स, बट आई वांट टू से लाइक be with good individuals so that you could grab some good
so that you could actually,
attributes.
each year you should be, I mean, so you can see that you are the better version of the previous than the previous version. Yeah.
True.
So it is very important, and that is one thing.
पता चला आप नशे में पड़ गए,
So this is
गिरे हैं
like,
वहाँ पे नाली के किसी कोने में।
this is like the base. You just consider
True.
like 18 or
18, 19
is the base
It is
of
the
your
base.
next life,
Next
right?
life. मैंने इससे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। Like,
And इससे भी बहुत कुछ सीखा।
मैं I was like hilarious in my school times.
And now he's
No, I'm still hilarious in present today. मैं भी अभी भी hilarious हूँ. But I got to learn a lot of things from him. If I want to sum it up, like it would be like socializing would be the thing, like in a proper manner, in a gentleman, मतलब proper gentleman fashion.
yeah, gentleman.
No, हाँ, not वो छपरी वाले TikTok वाले नहीं।
So I think मैंने कभी ऐसे TikTok बनाया भी नहीं।
नहीं TikTok बनाना नहीं चाहिए था।
मैं TikTok वाला बंदा हुई थी।
बंद कर दिया TikTok को।
वो बंद भी हो गया।
बंद भी हो गया। तो इसी के साथ द कॉन्वर्सेशन गेट्स क्लोज और ends it is close. चलिए, we'll see you on some another day and in another vlog, probably
With some new content, with some new topic.
with some new
Hot
topic,
shot.
new content. चलिए,
All right, bye.
bye.